Hi there, it's Mike Diesel from the Scottsville group. Just wanted to drop you a line and let you know what we're doing to stay vigilant and limiting the risk and exposure of COVID-19 amongst the Scottsville group companies. So, first of all, we're reducing the staff, which means that we have half the amount of people in any given business at any given time. Less people, more social distance, which is good. Cleanliness, we have somebody on staff at all times just to clean the place. Now, we're also doing this with the staff, so all the staff members are making sure that they're using wipes, that they're using hand sanitizer, that they're cleaning their hands very regularly and making sure the place is clean. We've also eliminated things from the businesses like magazines, like playthings, and just to kind of keep that social distance a little bit further as well. Now, when you talk about repairing, maintenance, emergency needs in terms of your vehicles, we can still help you with that. We can help with pickup and delivery, and if it's a matter of purchasing one of our services or items, we can come to you. Of course, we can talk over the phone. We can do things over email. If you do need to get a hold of us, phone, Facebook Messenger, Google Messenger, even the dealership websites have places where you can communicate with us. So keep that in mind as well. We will make sure you get what you need. And that's one of the reasons why we're staying open, is because we believe that, buying a new vehicle might not be the biggest thing on your priority list right now. But when you talk about the maintenance, the fixing, keeping it on the road, the ability to be mobile is very important for everybody, especially now. So if it's talking about getting to a loved one, getting to the grocery store, maybe getting to the doctor, we want to make sure you have the ability to do that as well. As of right now, we are reducing hours. We will be closing a little bit earlier, so make sure you check the website of the business from the Scottsville group that you want to go to and make sure that you know what those hours are, because they will be reduced slightly. Most of our businesses do have kiosks as well, so when you talk about picking up or dropping off vehicles, we can do that with kiosks. Again, communicating with us via phone, messenger from Google or Facebook or the website of the dealership, we can also help you with that as well. Kiosks, we have them, pick up and drop off. Other than that, making sure that we're open, here to service you. As long as we can be open, we will be open. It's Mike Diesel from the Scottsville group. We want you to be safe and happy.